Hello traders. Welcome to today's Pairs of the Day update. Let's take a look at the latest movements and key factors affecting the Japanese yen, JPY, US dollar, USD, and gold, XAU. The Japanese yen has gained ground against the US dollar, driven by stronger than expected GDP growth in Japan during the second quarter. This economic boost has reignited talks of a potential interest rate hike by the Bank of Japan, signaling a possible shift in the central bank's stance. Japanese Economy Minister Yoshitaka Shindo has voiced optimism about the gradual recovery of the economy, highlighting improvements in wages and income. He emphasized that the government, in close collaboration with the Bank of Japan, will continue to implement flexible macroeconomic policies to support this recovery. The US dollar has received support from rising treasury yields, yet its upward momentum may be constrained by increasing expectations of a 25 basis point rate cut by the Federal Reserve in September. This potential easing could limit the greenback's strength in the coming weeks. The recent moderate CPI data has sparked a debate among traders regarding the Federal Reserve's next move. While a 25 basis point rate cut seems likely, the possibility of a larger 50 basis point cut still lingers, though the odds have slightly decreased. Gold continues to edge higher, bolstered by comments from Fed Chair Jerome Powell, who hinted at a potential policy easing in September. Market participants are now fully pricing in a 25 basis point rate cut, reflecting growing confidence in the Fed's shift towards a more accommodative stance. Amid escalating tensions in the Middle East and a sharp rebound in U.S. durable goods orders, gold's safe haven appeal remains strong. These developments have provided additional support to bullion prices, making gold a preferred asset for risk-averse investors. Now, let's move on to the technical analysis and check out the charts. We have opened the 4-hour chart of US dollar to Japanese yen. The price is currently around the 20-period moving average. The stochastic indicators are entering the overbought area, suggesting a potential downward movement. For support and resistance levels, we have identified 143.43 and 142.27 as support, with resistance levels at 145.46 and 146.60. If the price moves lower, it may find support around 143.43 and potentially extend down to 142.27. On the upside, resistance could be encountered near 145.46 or potentially extend towards 146.60. Now, let's switch to the 4-hour chart of gold, XAU/USD. The price is also around the 20-period moving average. The stochastic indicators are moving lower from the overbought area, indicating a potential downward movement. For support and resistance levels, we have identified 2,497.25 and 2,473.06 as support, with resistance levels at 2,525.62 and 2,547.98. If the price moves lower, it may find support around 2,497.25 and potentially extend down to 2,473.06. On the upside, resistance could be encountered near 2,525.62 or potentially extend towards 2,547.98. Always remember to consider your risk management strategy before entering any trades. That's it for today's update. See you in the next video.